Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts! We're in the kitchen and we're here to share the 8 best juices for weight loss. Rest assured, we'll provide you with the best examples of products you can consider buying at the end of this informational video. As always, all the links for the products we mentioned are in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. A lot of people think that the juice diet already went out of trend after 2010. But truth be told, it never did. Instead of going on a completely liquid diet, you can add fresh juices to your meals to get more vitamins and minerals. With the 8 best juices we've prepared for you today, you can better increase your metabolism and control your appetite to kickstart your weight loss journey. Celery juice. Perfect as a replacement for higher calorie beverages like coffee and soda, celery juice is a smart and sustainable choice if you're trying to lose weight. Not only is it low in calories, but it also has 95% water, so it's ideal for anyone who wants to reduce their sugar intake. It's also a fantastic source of antioxidants and healthy plant chemicals that can help combat inflammation and reduce oxidative stress, assisting you in fat loss. Beet juice. Filled with beneficial vitamins and minerals, beet juice will keep you fuller for longer. It is loved by athletes looking to improve their cardio and agility. It also has nitrates, which widen your blood vessels to lower your blood pressure and make your muscles work better and last longer. Whole beets, on the other hand, are low in calories and high in fiber. Fiber can help speed up or control your metabolism, reduce your appetite, and make you feel full longer, which can help you manage your weight. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate is rich in polyphenols, which can support your weight loss by interacting with gut bacteria to help boost metabolism. On top of that, it stimulates heat production and energy consumption, breaks apart fatty tissue to decrease volume, and induces Beet oxidation, which then breaks down fatty cells. When it's juiced, it's not only flavorful and energizing, but also nutritious and low-calorie. Some research even suggests that it may also help keep blood sugar from going up and down too much, make you feel more hungry. Green juice. You can create a healthy and versatile mix of green juice from green apples, cucumber, spinach, and cabbage. These leafy greens are packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation, high in fiber, and low in sugar. Increasing the fruits and vegetables in your diet is associated with a drop in body weight and a decreased risk of long-term weight gain and fat growth. With the right juicer, you can make it sweeter by adding ingredients like bananas or pineapples. Watermelon juice. In a 4-week study including 33 people given 2 cups or 300 grams of fresh watermelon daily, participants had notable decreases in body weight, belly fat, appetite, and food cravings. This may be due to the high water content, which may aid in weight loss and make you feel more satisfied for a longer time. It also has a fantastic source of potassium, minerals that are good for the heart, and vitamins A and C, which boost the immune system. The magic component arginine is also believed to retain your muscle mass so you can still look lean even after losing fat. Lemon ginger green juice. Another take on green juice is the combination of lemon and ginger. In particular, including lemons in your drink may improve its flavor while adding more antioxidants. According to the research, ginger may speed up your metabolism, curb your appetite, and help you lose weight. If you want to improve your fiber intake and feel fuller between meals, try blending these 2 ingredients with greens like spinach or kale instead of simply juicing them. You can combine 1 cup or 30 grams of raw spinach, a small knob of peeled ginger, and some freshly squeezed lemon juice in your food processor. Carrot juice. Low in calories and carbs, carrots are perfect for weight loss since they're nutrient-dense in just 1 glass. Each serving of carrot juice has a lot of vitamin A and other good carotenoids. It also has a lot of fiber, which makes you feel full and helps you control your appetite. There's even a surprising 8-week study involving 28 obese men who consumed a daily beverage high in carotenoids, which are present in carrot juice, and saw a significant decline in abdominal fat. Kale apple juice. As a high-fiber alternative to sugary store-bought fitness juices, kale apple juice is known for its fat-burning capacity while purifying and detoxifying your palate to help you shed those extra pounds. According to research, children and adults who consume this mix experience enhanced weight loss and better diet quality. Since kale and apple together don't produce intense flavors, you can include other ingredients like carrots, celery, lemon juice, or ginger to intensify the taste and health advantages even more. Now that you've acquainted with the 8 best options to kickstart your diet and weight loss journey, why don't we look into some juicer options to make it easier for you to make these juices, smoothies, or blends. The first item we have is the HUROM HB Slow Juicer. Helping you turn your favorite fruits into smoothies, juices, and even sorbet, the HUROM HB Slow Juicer uses a low-speed auger to extract every last drop of juice from food, delivering a bone-dry pulp. It also has a heavy-duty auger and strainer that are 8 times more durable than plastic alternatives. To make the juicing process safe for you, this unit doesn't use any blades and has a fully assembled base, incorporating double safety, sensors, and an integrated cooling system with heat vents. This product is easy to operate and prevents overheating. It's also perfect for anyone who may have tiny fingers since it has a pretty wide chute. As for the dimensions, it is 8 inches in length, 14 inches in width, and 16 inches in height with a weight of 18.06 pounds. The second item we have is the NutriBullet Blender. For our control-free kitchen enthusiasts, you might find the right match with the NutriBullet Blender. This product might find the right match with the NutriBullet Blender. This product has 3 precision speeds and a pulse function to deliver accurate output. The blender's vented pitcher can withstand heat, so you can also use it to prepare various soups, sauces, and hot foods. Its blade is made of strong stainless steel and has a cyclonic design that makes it easy to slice or juice consistently, while the exterior is built from high-performance plastic that's BPA-free. In terms of its dimensions, it is 7.75 inches in length, 8.07 inches in width, and 16.1 inches in height, with a weight of 9.33 pounds. And there you have it, folks, the In the Kitchen team's breakdown of share the 8 best juices for weight loss. If you have any insights you would like to share with the team, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that it can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.